Hello everyone, my name is Zach from Metaverse Make. Today I'll be showing you how to install the TPU Head Support. First, what you want to do is remove the default strap from the Quest. I would start by going removing the Quest arms. So you grab it right here and twist it, and it should snap off. Now let's locate the opposite side, and you'll grab it here and twist it, and it should snap off. Let's remove the face guard now, or the sweat guard. You grab it and kind of pull out on it, and it should snap out slowly. So just be careful, but it should just come out by just kind of working your way around it, like that. Now you need to remove the top support Velcro strap. So you do that, and you pull it down. If it catches here, you could take and slowly feed it this way and make it come out. Alright, so the stock strap is removed. Let's locate the TPU support. It should be either white or black, depending on what you ordered. This will be the top, this will be a side, this will be a side. Let's locate the stock strap that you just removed. Let's make sure we're getting the right orientation. So it should be this way. This is a side, this is a side, and this is the top. The Velcro should be tacky on the top. Let's locate the TPU support, and we want to feed the top Velcro from the default strap through this loop. So we'll feed it through, and you will let it come off the top loop like this. Then you'll pull this out until it's all the way down this way. Make sure you don't pull it too far. Then you'll locate a side, the side strap. You will feed it through this hole here. You will feed it through the opposite hole on the other side. So now your strap should look sort of like this. This is the stock strap, and this is the TPU unit. And it should fit into this hole, and this hole. Now you basically just go and do a reverse the way you uninstalled it. So we're going to start by locking the arms into place first. So you will clip from the bottom, kind of set it in place, and squeeze and push into the top like that. Now we're going to do the opposite side. So I'm going to start with the bottom, kind of put it in place on the bottom, and squeeze at the top. Like that. Now we need to install the top Velcro back into place around the string, so we'll take and feed the Velcro up through and pull it slowly and hook it back into place. You may need to readjust your headset once you get all this back together. Now you need to put your face mask back in correctly. So after you have all the straps, it'll sit left and right and top hooked. Your face mask will go back in. So locate face mask and put it right here, and you got to line it up perfectly. Once it lined up perfectly, you can kind of press down and snap it back into place. It should snap back into place, and you should be good to go. Now your headset should look something like this. You'll need to readjust your arms, your strap, and to your head size, but that should be all you need to do. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.